Take this MonsterView Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet. It's ideal for TIG, MIG, MMA, and plasma cutting applications with grinding feature. Get a clear view from the 14.4 square inch viewing area. The lens darkens automatically, offering a variable 5 to 13 shade. 4 arc sensors detect when an arc is struck. A fast switching speed goes from clear to dark in 1/25,000th of a second. Manage your shade, delay time, sensitivity, and mode with easy-to-access external controls. Improve visibility and reduce eye strain with the True Color technology, which minimizes the traditional lime green coloring in the helmet view screen. Stay comfortable during long work sessions with the adjustable ratcheting headgear and padding. A replaceable battery makes it easy to keep the helmet powered up and running. Protect your eyes and get the job done with this MonsterView Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet from Klutch.